Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and welcome to another lecture of my English lessons. My name is Mahmoud Yusuf, and I am an English teacher in Al-Dareyn school. Today we're going to be learning about common nouns and proper nouns. This lesson is aimed for students at form 1, or students in form 1. Okay, we'll start with proper nouns. A proper noun names a person, a place, or a thing. What is the difference between a proper noun and a common noun? I'm glad you asked the question. A proper noun names the common noun. A proper noun names the common noun. So pay attention to the word names. So the proper noun names the common noun. We'll give examples of that later on. If I say the man went to the shop, I can mean any man. This could be any man. However, if I say Ali went to the shop, Ali went to the shop. Okay. You have a comma here. Comma after the shop. Ali went to the shop. Then we know exactly which man went to the shop. Which man exactly went to the shop? Well, it's Ali. So what did we do? We named the common noun. Okay, the common noun was man. Man was the common noun. Okay, this was the common noun. But we named the common noun, and we named the common noun as Ali. Therefore, a proper noun names the common noun. Ali names the man. The man becomes Ali. So therefore, Ali is the proper noun, whereas the man or man could be any man, and that's common noun. It's not specific, but Ali is specific to just that person. Is a name of a person. Okay, the proper noun Ali names the common noun man, as we said that. Okay, let's move on. Teacher and students are common nouns. Teacher and student are both common nouns. But if we name the teacher and the student, we're going to get proper nouns. So the names of teachers and students are proper nouns. Okay, and they should be capitalized. They should be capitalized. They should be capitalized. Okay, they should be capitalized. So here, should be. Take that off to one second. So you take that off and change it to they should be capitalized. So should, the word should be there instead of school. It's a mistake. So the names of teachers and students are proper nouns and should be capitalized. For example, Muhammad, that's my name. I'm a teacher at Al-Dareyn school, and Muhammad, my name, is a proper noun. Okay. Samatar is a student in Al-Dareyn school. His name is also a proper noun. So notice proper nouns begin with capital letters. Okay. So, but teacher and student are common nouns. The names of the days and months are proper nouns and should be capitalized. However, day and month, the words just day and month are common nouns. But if you name the day and if you name the month, they become proper nouns. For example, I'll give you an example. A day, one day, a day or day. Day is a common noun. But if we name that day, today is Wednesday. So if we name that day Wednesday, Wednesday has to be capitalized because it is proper noun. It's a proper noun. And if we have a month, for example, and month is a common noun, but if we name the month, so the month that we are in is April. April is going to be a proper noun, where month is a common noun. Okay, so the names of the days and the months has to be capitalized because they are proper nouns. Okay, let's move on. Likewise, city and country are common nouns. The word city or the word country are both common nouns. However, if we say, for example, if we name the city as Hargeisa and we name the country as Somaliland, these are both proper nouns and they should be capitalized. You should use capital letter. Okay, let's move on. So let's give some examples or other examples of common nouns. I want you to pause the video and come up with and answer these two questions. What are some other examples of common nouns other than the ones that I have given? And what can you make them each a proper noun? So what I want you to do is come up with common nouns. Well, my common nouns were student, teacher, city, country, okay? And what I did was, for example, student, I named the student Samatar, so that was my proper noun. Teacher was my common noun. I replaced that with my name, which is Muhammad. The city was a common noun and I replaced it with Hargeisa. The country was a common noun. I replaced it with Somaliland. Okay, so I want you to pause the video now and come up with some examples of common nouns like student, teacher, city, country, but come up with other ones, okay? Other ones, not the ones I came up with. And then change each common noun to a proper noun. I'll let you do that one on your own time. So we will move on. So for example, this is what you could have done. So the common noun here is reciter, a Quran reciter, for example. The proper noun of that Quran reciter or that Quran reciter can be named as Abdul Basit. You all know who Abdul Basit is. Another common noun could be book. The proper noun of book, or if we name the book, it becomes a proper noun. So the name of the book, I haven't written down the name of the book, but you can write down any name of a book that you know. Perhaps a book that you read, you like to read, and so on. Okay, let's practice a bit more. We'll give more examples. Boy is a common noun. If we wanted to know which boy was clever, for example, we would put a boy's name in place of boy. So let me give you example. The boy is clever. The boy is clever. So here we have the common noun boy. Okay, the common noun boy. Now the common noun boy can be replaced with, or that boy can be named as Ahmed, and Ahmed becomes proper noun because we named the boy. The boy that could have been any boy, we named that boy and we gave him a name, and his name now is Ahmed. So the boy is clever changed to Ahmed is clever. The boy is clever. The word boy is common noun, and Ahmed is a proper noun. Okay, and the proper noun, as we said, names the common noun. Okay, as you can see from the example. What about people's titles? Titles, I mean like doctor, Mrs., Miss, Mr., aunt, uncle, and so on. There's other titles. So all titles, people's titles, should begin with capital letter because they are proper nouns.